ducky, ducky.
Look at the baby ducks over there. Look at that mama twitching her head back and forth.
She's like, come on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 babies.
Get away from them people.
So good evening, everybody. We are down by Beaver, Arkansas. We're going down, actually just driving through. We're going to check the bridge down here and see if it's passable, because sometimes after the rains it gets the water so deep they actually have to shut the bridge off. But it gets really deep, so we're going to go down and cross it and then turn around and come back this way. But we're out on the bike today instead of being in the Gladiator. We're riding the bike today. Beautiful day, like 71 or 72 degrees, something like that. Wife's hanging on for dear life on the back. Beaver, Arkansas. 1-lane bridge, 1/2 mile.
That lake is up. Look at that.
My goodness, if you could see it through the trees, we can, but not real good. But yeah, the lake is up like crazy.
It's deep.
11 feet, 6-inch clearance duck.
I don't have to worry about that. I'm short. I'm only 5'2", standing up.
We're good then. As you can see, the leaves are coming on Jeep. I've been tearing her up all day. I beat her on the Jeep so bad every time, it's crazy.
Cool.
Sometimes I let her get some.
Ha 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 ha.
I got most of Gladiators today. We kind of played Jeep like you do Slug Bug. Only we did it with Jeeps.
And Gladiators. Jeep.
Oh man, that's the one I was going to call. Sometimes she'll call one that I had plans of calling.
Yeah, he's always Jeep.
Oh, Jeep.
He's always finding things.
On the other side of the bridge over there.
I know, I just called it.
Oh. Well, look at the water. It is touching underneath the bottom of the bridge on part of it. And there ain't much room. If you was in a boat, I don't know if you'd go in there or not. You'd have to duck. So this is a suspension bridge. And the way it is, there's no lights or nothing to tell you. You just have to kind of watch over there in that other corner. Make sure it's clear, and everybody just takes turns going across, because it's 1 lane. You don't want to meet somebody head on that thing. If you do, somebody's gonna have to back up. So it's suspended by these cables. You see there's dual cables going across, and when you're driving across this in a vehicle, you can feel the bridge doing this. Yeah, it's definitely crazy how much it's up. I'm gonna turn around here. Watch the bumps. Big bumps, big bumps.
Oh, there's all the dirt.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see those turtles on the camera or not, but there's a whole bunch of turtles over there on that log. I mean, a whole row of them.
Several. Too many to count.
Turn around, see if it's clear. I can't really tell if there's anybody in that little swag or not. I think we're clear.
I can't see anything.
Bump. It's kind of weird riding on these boards. You get in one of those grooves, you can feel it making you walk around. But we didn't drive the Gladiator today. Sometimes I let her drive it.
this one, let me. He's always got this thing about saying, let me. He don't let me do anything.
Okay, here's the situation. My wife went away on a week's vacation and she left the keys to the brand new Gladiator. Would she mind? Well, of course not. I'll just take it for a little spin and maybe show it off to a bunch of chickabiddies.
I don't think so.
And she slapped me. Jeez. I guess she's not going to go on vacation and leave me with the Gladiator then.
No.
So we'll go back up this way and go up to Butler Holler on the way back. We've been down to like Berryville. We went down there to eat. Had a little restaurant. It wasn't too bad. What was the name of it?
Horseshoe Grill.
Horseshoe Grill. Wasn't too bad. And then we noticed there was one in Eureka too, a Horseshoe Grill. It was okay. I had catfish plate, catfish and fries. She had a quesadilla. A Napoleon Dynamite special. Make yourself a quesadilla. Gosh. It is beautiful. Check out the flags.
Yep.
Which them flags have another name?
Irises.
Irises, yeah. Okay. Well,
The funny thing is about those flowers is that you just seen those are really pale yellow and purple, lilac color. You go dig them up, plant them in your yard, and they'll completely turn a different color.
Yeah, you have.
On the soil on the ground.
Yeah, you have different colored flags or irises. We don't call them irises. We country boy.
Everybody, we've always called them flags.
Country boy calls them flags. We're gonna go back by the duck pond here in just a little bit. She won't be gone because her babies can't fly.
Yep, they're cute.
Yep, she's still out there.
Hi, Mama Ducky. Baby duckies.
Fuzzy. Fuzzy ducks. I never can remember the number of this highway. It's like highway something, something, something. Something, something, something. Definitely the water's been up. You can see where it's flooded out of its banks and washed some big old stumps and stuff out in that field there. Watch this driveway out here because they got a bridge.
See what kind of damage is under this fence down here.
Yeah.
At one time it completely washed the fences out on both sides of the road.
Yeah. Now there is times where we've not, well, I don't know if we've ever not been able to make it up Butler Holler because we're on the DUALSPORT. But there's been times where you probably wouldn't have made it even in a Jeep. But I think we've made it all every time on a DUALSPORT. Uh-oh, they're gonna make some wine.
They've already made it, they're out there drinking it.
I'm gonna hire a wino to decorate a home. This is an old railroad.
Yep.
Through here.
That's what that's called, railroad
I don't know.
winery back there.
Yep,
now.
railroad winery. I don't know the history on it, but I know it's an old railroad. Here we go. Look at the little calves.
Aw, he's just about out. Oh, that fence is broke. He could
Oh yeah,
get
he
out.
could. He could just walk out. No doubt about it.
He's peeing.
Cute little boogers. Look at that little red white face there.
There, he's scared away from the fence now, so he don't get out.
Look at that bull over there.
Mm-hmm.
I'll stop here if you go slap him.
That's a bunch of bulls. Look, that one over there. Look how mean he is. Look at, oh, he just looking at you really mean.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah. Come on, go slap him.
Do you go slap him? Heck no. I don't want to show off. I could do it.
Yeah.
I could do it, but I end up hurting him, is what I do. He'd make me mad. It wouldn't be good for him. What are you laughing at?
You wouldn't last 2 seconds in there with him. Oh, that's funny. Oh.
Yep, there's going to be a hole or two up through here.
Yep.
Phew, gotta raise that shield. It's getting warm. I can smell them gals. They smell good. They don't smell like a ribeye steak, but not till you fry them anyway.
This is usually turkey area right here.
Yeah, we've seen several turkeys on this side of the road. We've on the right, on the left up here, through this area. Different times. We actually did come through this way today. We come down the paved road. Sound like an old tractor.
We'll see how much of the road got washed out.
She thinks my 300L is sexy. This is my 3 honey.
300.
It's my 3 honey.
300.
There, we washed the tires off now. We're all clean again until we get to this clay mud. Across the cattle guard. Ooh, ain't careful, I'll be in that mud. Them rocks. Pretty awesome.
A lot of water's come off that hillside.
Yeah. It's a lot of wet weather springs around here too. A lot of springs, but there's a lot of them that's just wet weather.
Stuck right there.
There's some few ruts. It is beautiful down through this holler, I think. Always have liked it.
Amazing how fresh and green everything looks after the rain.
Yeah, that's what I like about spring. You see the multiple colors on this hillside over here. They'll mostly change the same color later when they get fully leafed out, but for now, when they're all blooming and leafing out, there'll be all different shades of green. You still have some, like the sycamores are different than the oak, and then the cedar trees you see sticking out up there are a lot darker. No turkeys.
I don't see. I haven't seen any yet. Usually it's on this end, like from this point on.
If we was in the city, we might see a jive turkey. Look at that. You see how the water gets up and washes all that junk. It's real wide. The water gets plumb up over this road at times and washes it plumb out. I mean, gone.
We're fixing to find out if it washed out on the road again.
Yeah. And it could be. Sometimes it washed out bad enough, it's a long time. I think there was one summer, it was like all summer before they fixed it.
It is true.
We're at the other cattle guard, so somebody has a pretty good piece of property here. There's where I laid the African twin over in the ditch. This is a spot right here that usually washes plumb out when it floods.
Yeah, it does.
It's still here this time, but I'm surprised. They built it up with a lot of big rocks on this left side here, and that helped. If it gets bad enough, you can't stop it.
It's forced some of them rocks out.
Yeah. Yeah, it will. It don't matter how big the rocks they put in there. See here, it's about washed out to the road here.
Yep.
It's getting real close to the edge. You wouldn't want to drive over there too close.
Anytime through the summer, if we have another big amount of rainfall, it will wash it out.
Yep. That's what will happen. This was a tree across the road here. Look at this.
Yeah, they had to cut it up.
They've cut it up or moved it out with a tractor. Big old dude too. This definitely washed out up through here.
Yep.
But there's a place to cross anyway. They fixed it, I think. Made a place.
Feet up.
Feet up.
Oh.
Hang on. We're riding like itchy boots. Look how this is tore up, this hill is. Waterfall.
Yep.
Pretty cool.
Let's go down this spray paint some more.
Oh yeah, there's idiots everywhere. And they got to paint their name and their idiot stuff on everything. There's some ruts up here. This whole hill is usually like loose rock. Big time anyway. So better I'll just keep a little momentum and keep on trucking. Keep on biking. Okay guys, that's where we're going to end it. Thank y'all for watching. Click the thumbs up in this video, subscribe to my channel if you like it. Check out my links below. Catch y'all on the next one. Right on.